So I'm going to read in English first, and then she will read in Tagalog. So your question is, with everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich?
Thank you. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Medyo po.
Ayan, wag.
Can we please repeat the question?
Yes, eto
Once
na.
again, let's repeat the question one more time for our candidate. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
in Tagalog. Eto, asan ba?
Ano pa sugar? Laro ka sugar.
O, diba?
Nagmamatamis ka na naman ha.
Okay. Sa bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, maging sa ating bansa o sa buong mundo, kasama mo lang ngayon, mamaya wala na. Sa tingin mo, ano ang mas mahalaga sa'yo? Payamanan o pasayahan ng pamilya? At bakit?
Thank you so much for that question. I would say having a happy family because I believe that family is a gift from God. And as a person, I value my family, especially my mom, who is behind of this man that you see. He is my reason why I am here and inspired. And in that way, I want to inspire other people. And one of the greatest blessings is having not rich family, but a happy and contented family that make memories and last forever. Thank you so much.